Hello, project managers. I'm Mackenzie, and today I'm talking about Gantt charts. In a previous video, I listed 5 software that are great Gantt chart makers. However, those solutions are not the only tools that can make Gantt charts. Microsoft Excel is an excellent alternative because you don't need to be an Excel expert to make a basic Gantt chart. But how do you do that? Well, just follow these simple steps. First up, make a table. Before creating the Excel Gantt chart, you must prepare the data. In the Excel sheet, input your project details in table format. For this example, I'll include task, start dates, end dates, and task duration. To get the value for task duration, subtract the end date cell from the start date cell. So for me, that's =C2 minus B2. Once you have that one done, just drag the corner and highlight the others in that column so the formula can be applied to the other cells. Next, we need to add a bar chart. To make this process easier for us, we're first going to highlight the start dates and hit Ctrl+1 or Command+1 on the keyboard. The number format pop-up will appear. For the time being, click on General and then hit OK. Now that's done, go ahead and highlight your data. Click on Task and hold Shift on your keyboard to highlight everything along with start dates. Also, hit and hold Control or Command on your keyboard to include task duration. Once done, go up and select the Insert tab from the Excel menu. Pick the 2D bar group within the Charts tab, followed by the Stacked Bar option. You're only a few steps away from turning it into a proper Gantt chart now. It just needs a few tweaks. First, let's turn those numbers back into dates. Re-highlight your start dates and bring the number format pop-up back up. Select Date and hit OK. Next, double-click on the blue section. The formatting options will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. While you're here, go ahead and click on the toggle next to Legend to turn it off. After that, click on the drop-down arrow for series start date and then find the Fill Paint Bucket icon. Click it and then select No Fill. Only the orange bars should be visible at this point, which makes it look more like a Gantt chart. Finally, rearrange the project task and dates correctly. Within the vertical axis dropdown, check the box for categories in reverse order. Once you do that, the data markers will move from the bottom to the top, making it look like a proper Gantt chart. And if you want to clean it up more, go to the horizontal axis and adjust the min and max numbers so there aren't big spaces. Oh, and don't forget a title. Double-click the title text on the chart and type whatever you want. And that's it! Now you know how to make a clear Gantt chart for planning and managing projects in Microsoft Excel. To ensure its reliability, be sure to accurately and promptly update the data. Also, I recommend you try color coding and conditional formatting to make the chart easy to read. If you want to learn another useful tip for Microsoft Excel, then go watch this video that my buddy Justin Fraction did about VLOOKUP. But before you go, don't forget to click the like icon, hit the subscribe button, and visit project-management.com for other PM solutions. Thanks for watching.